Amphibians are an amazing class of creatures under the superclass Tetrapoda in the phylum Chordata. This implies that these creatures possess a notochord at some point in their lives. Amphibia encompasses vertebrates like frogs and toads, salamanders, and a group of bunch of other creatures like these ones here. Look at that smiling. Oops, where did that come from? We know that the amphibians are animals adapted to living both on land and in water. This begs the question, why aren't turtles recognized as amphibians? There's more to being an amphibian than just being able to live in land as well as water. Turtles lack three key features of an amphibian. Number 1. Turtles are amniotes while amphibians are non-amniotes. Then again, what do amniotes and non-amniotes even mean? Non-amniotes are vertebrates that lack amnion or an external hard shell around their eggs. See this shark over here photobombing our turtle? It is a non-amniote along with all other fishes. Amniotes, on the other hand, are the vertebrates having amnion or external hard shell around their egg, including this turtle, you and me. Unlike amphibians, turtles are able to lay eggs outside of water in sandy beaches since they have amnion around their eggs. They lay eggs inside of burrows. Here their eggs hatch and the babies make their way back to the sea. The jelly-like substance around the frog eggs here protect the embryo since the eggs lack amnion. Though turtles live in or around water bodies, they are not amphibians but reptiles. A reptile is a terrestrial vertebrate covered by a scaly hard shell. Amphibians do not have external scales. Since turtles are covered by a scaly hard shell, also called a carapace, they are categorized as reptiles instead of amphibians. Another reason why turtles are not amphibians is because they have non-permeable skin, whereas amphibians possess largely permeable skin which can absorb oxygen and help in overall respiration. Support our work by subscribing to our channel and liking our videos. Until next time, take care.